Hello, my name is Joseph Whiting, and I'm very excited to talk to you today. I'm a communications student from Brigham Young University, Idaho, and I've recently created an advertisement to fit into the new long can ad campaign by Coca-Cola, and I'm excited to show it to you today and show how it matches in with the original advertisement. Talking about which, let's take a look at the original advertisement and see what we can glean from that. So, this is the original advertisement, and I think that there are three principles here, and it's very simple, it's bold, and it's fun. I think Coca-Cola does a fantastic job of maintaining a very simple design in their advertisements. I think it makes it very appealing to the eye, it's not overly busy, and it really just it makes the customer think when they look at it and try and understand it. And it's really a lot like art, I think. In this we have a giraffe, which is uh, exaggerated in the neck area. The vector image draws off the edges of the underline here, and it kind of creates a giraffe here with a vector image. The typography is very simple. It's Helvetica Neue font with the bold emphasis on the middle word and the light emphasis on the two side words, which really brings attention to this middle part and realizing that the product is a slight variation on the original Coca-Cola can. I think the colors really show a lot of loyalty to Coca-Cola's branding. The red and the white are consistent, and Coca-Cola's had this for many hundreds of years. They stick very firmly to a red and white, and I think that was an important thing that I brought into consideration when I did mine. So, talking about that, let's take a look at the advertisement I made. So, this is my advertisement, and I think that it very much follows the simple, bold, and fun principles in the advertisement above, and that it fits very well into the campaign. If we take a little moment, we can analyze it a little bit better. The vector image is underlaid it falls underneath this and continues this line through the swoosh mark to create this snake, same as the giraffe, and by doing so, it makes the can look like one continuous image. The typography is the same, Helvetica Neue, with the bold emphasis on the middle word and the lighter emphasis on both sides. I stuck with the same color scheme. I think that Coca-Cola has really found a great color mixture with the red and the white. It's very energetic but also very simple. Overall, I think that, in conclusion, that my image is a great addition to the new long can campaign, and that it would be very useful to the marketing team of Coca-Cola. Thank you for your time.